I'm Marjorie Goldberg, and I founded the Zenith Community Arts Foundation 23 years ago. According to the National Association of Home Builders, woodworking is the most endangered trade in this country. Someone's got to know these skills, and that's what we have been doing.
ZCAF has begun teaching woodworking skills to a new generation of students through our Pre-Apprenticeship Carpentry program.
PACT uses an innovative mobile woodshop, a large truck which we have stocked with extensive woodworking equipment and materials, to bring a woodworking school to teaching sites throughout the area.
PACT students develop some of the employability skills which are crucial to success in the workforce.
It's what people need these days. They need employable skills.
We are excited to announce that 2 DCPS high school principals have asked us to bring the mobile woodshop to them for the next academic year.
This Giving Tuesday, we are asking for your help to continue empowering the next generation of carpenters in Washington, D.C.
As a not-for-profit organization, every dollar Zenith Community Arts Foundation receives goes directly towards supporting our programs, whose costs include materials and tools for students, salaries for our qualified instructors, and maintenance of our mobile woodshop.
And this Giving Tuesday, you can double your impact. All donations will be matched by ZCAF sponsor organizations, dollar for dollar up to $50,000.
Your tax-deductible gift today will go twice as far toward ensuring ZCAF's continued success in 2024 as we expand our hugely transformative mobile woodshop and pre-apprenticeship carpentry training program to a second school in Washington, D.C.
Zenith Community Arts Foundation is focused first and foremost on community. We couldn't have accomplished all that we have without supporters like you.
So please donate today to secure your 1-to-1 match donation. Thank you for making a positive difference in the lives of young people in our community.